Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in order. The base avatar PNG at 512 x 512 and any accessory OBJ or FBX files. Once done, open Roblox Studio and enable plugins. This speeds the import process. Next, import mesh files into a test place and set scale to match the default avatar. This prevents misaligned limbs later. Make sure to name parts clearly and group them into a single model so you can edit and rig without losing track of pieces. You now rig the components. Use the avatar importer or a rigging plugin to map each mesh to the humanoid bones. While rigging, adjust pivot points so joints rotate naturally. Small offsets cause clipping. Then align meshes to the default avatar proportions, testing range of motion. Once satisfied, assign materials and textures. Bake complex multi-UV textures into single maps if needed. This reduces performance issues and ensures consistent appearance across devices. You finish by testing the avatar thoroughly. Run play mode, apply common animations and emotes, and watch for clipping or deformation. When ready, export a backup and incrementally upload the model to your account. This preserves prior working states. If something goes wrong, focus on one fix at a time. Adjust scale or pivot, reassign weights, or simplify geometry. Often smoothing weights or a tiny scale tweak resolves the problem. Finally, retest after each change to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.